What's up everyone, welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and we're taking a look at this Audi S3 convertible today at JC Baarse in Aalsmeer in the Netherlands. So it's not the most pretty place, but it is very windy out, so I needed a place to, talk to you so you could hear me, and well, this is it. We'll take it for a drive around this beautiful road next to a river, so don't worry, it will be prettier. So S3 convertible, we drove the S3 hatchback and S3 sedan, and while they are great cars, they are very comfortable, fast, they are fast cars for any situation. But we wondered if this convertible version was the most fun, because with that roof off, you've got a lot more sound from that exhaust, of course, and well, it just could be the most fun S3 there is, and we didn't know, so we're going to find out today. This is the facelift, so the most recent model. If you want to see another POV review of an S3 sedan, click up here for a more in-depth look of the S3. Today will be about, is this car fun? Because the other ones aren't that much fun. So we've got a black on black interior, black exterior, 19-inch wheels. I mean, it's a pretty nice car, and I think that the new A3 convertible is a lot prettier than the previous one. Okay, so let's start it up. We've got the virtual cockpit, of course, S-line steering wheel, which is really nice. Beautiful seats, although they are not that supportive. But all in all, I think it's a really nice little car. Okay, let's go for a drive. It is quite cold outside. It's 6.5 degrees Celsius, but of course the roof is off, and well, we were hoping that because spring has arrived, it's the 23rd of March today, that we'd have a lovely sunny day, but unfortunately we don't. Okay, something that immediately is very noticeable is that this gearbox in drive is very, very sluggish. So best put it in dynamic mode and put this in sport. Okay, so there's the river, and we've got a lovely road here. This car stock delivers 310 horsepower, and while that is plenty, I mean, it's not a slow car, it doesn't really feel that explosive, that fast. So this car has been tuned by JD Engineering, and it now delivers 370 horsepower and 470 newton meters of torque. So that's sort of RS3, almost RS3 level. And we think that they also did something to enhance the sound, because it has this really loud crackle. Wow. Some bangs as well. So especially with that roof off, I mean, that's a lot of fun. S-tronic gearbox. Yeah. I'm not the biggest fan of this gearbox. I think it's a bit too good, too clean. I want to feel the gears being shifted, and you just don't feel anything in this car. So I prefer the ZF 8-speed, but it is a very fast gearbox. We've even got a little ferry here on the left. very cool. Okay, back to the car. 5.1 seconds to 100 kilometers an hour with this chip, under 5 seconds. I mean, previously, before driving this car, I didn't have that high expectations of it, because I thought that the S3 sedan was really good, a really good car, but not a lot of fun to drive. And this car, when you just drive it, you know, not too aggressively, just like this, shifting through the gears, you have this beautiful road, water on the left, you've got those pops and bangs from the exhaust, it's fast. I mean, it will move this car, but it's most fun when you just sort of drive quickly but in a relaxed fashion. And I think that's, you know, it's because it's a convertible, because you've got that great sound. I think this would be a lot of fun to have as a third car, for example. Just to take your girlfriend or wife or boyfriend or whatever out for a nice lunch at the waterfront. Just drive this car on this road, you know, not really anywhere to go, but still have a great destination. I think that would be really, really cool. What do you think? Let me know. Nice. I think we've got a wall coming up here, so let's see how loud those bangs become. Yeah, I like it, guys. I really do, and I wasn't expecting that beforehand. Okay, I'll turn around here. Oh man, it does really have some oomph. I don't really think that this car would be much slower than an RS3. Apart from, you know, it's a bit heavier, of course, because of the roof construction and stuff, and it will understeer a bit quicker, but it's just a lot of fun. It really is. I think you'd have more fun with this, you know, with those pops and bangs. Oh man. Than with a hatchback or a regular sedan, for example. Woo. Okay guys, that's it for this POV review. It's a short one, but we've made a couple of videos with S3s before, so just check those out. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle, and you can check out this POV review, and you can check out this POV review playlist. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you at the next one. Bye guys.